Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In today's video we are going to see 3 ways to save Claude tokens. First is obviously not keeping a very long conversation within a chat here in Claude, because the longer a conversation is, the more tokens it will spend. We also have the model sections here. In this case, as we can see here, we have a few. Obviously, the higher our model is, or the more complex our model is, the more tokens it will be spending. Another way to save tokens with Claude will be by using projects. That's within a project like this one, for example, I will be able to perform certain tasks and I won't spend as many tokens that way. Another way will be, for example, by editing a prompt we have requested before. For example, in this case, let's say I'm writing, asking for help with today's date and the weather. Let's say I'm asking for this, and here it gave us our answer. But we are looking to have more of a conversation with this, to save tokens and avoid spending so many by asking something for more complex again. What we'll have to do is, in this case, simply clicking here on edit. And once in edit, we have to change the message and the prompt. And it's not going to use it entirely, but it's going to have a better response after saving this. And that's it.